What is adjectives? Adjective is a word that add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. What is an adjective? A word Okay, in other way, we can also call adjective as describing words. Describing words. So, adjectives are also called describing words because adjective describes the noun. It describes the noun or the pronoun. Describes the noun, that is the name or pronoun. Okay, suppose if we say a word, suppose a noun, I am saying boy. This is a noun. Now we can add to this word tall boy, good boy. Okay, like this, many things we can add up to them. Intelligent boy. Like this, with the word boy, with the noun boy, we can write several adjectives. We can add up several adjectives and thus it describes the boy, the type of boy. He is a tall boy. He is a good boy. Ram is an intelligent boy. So what does describe the boy? The word tall, good and intelligent describes the word boy, describes the noun. So, for this reason, adjectives are called describing word. It adds something to the noun or pronoun. Now, an adjective is a describing word. You all have come to know from this explanation. Now, if you look at some more expressions, like if I write over here, suppose I'm writing some food, several questions. If I put such expressions over here, or two girls, you can write my father. Which class? So this all that I am using over here, the words that I am using before all the nouns. See, everything is a noun that I have used over here, and before all this noun I have used some words. Some, several, two, my and which. These all, in these expressions, the words that I have used are also adjectives. These are different kinds of adjectives. When we use adjectives with noun, they make the noun precise. When we use adjective with the noun, they make the noun precise. They also make our language beautiful. So this is one more very important reason that why we need to use adjective. Why do we use adjective rather in our sentences? But we should be careful in choosing the adjectives. We should clearly know what we want to say about the people or the thing and then choose the adjectives accordingly. Whether you are saying about something or you are saying about some people or you are saying about some place, you have to use adjective that suits it best, which describes that particular noun the best. So while using adjective, you must be very, very careful. Position of an adjective. So where should we put an adjective? Putting an adjective is very important. Suppose when an adjective is used before a noun, when we use an adjective is used to describe a noun, it is normally placed before the noun. See over here, this is the noun, we are using the adjective over here. So this is describing the food. This is describing the noun. So when we use, this is the position of the adjective. So you must always keep in mind the position of the adjective. So where I am to put the adjective. So position of adjectives is very important. Where I have to put the adjectives. If I am using the adjective before a name, before a noun, it is describing the noun then. Okay, sometimes we also use an adjective, and adjective may be placed after the noun as well. If we write in this way, the question is easy. In this case, you see, we have used the adjective after the noun. After the noun. So in many cases, we use the adjective after the noun also, but most of the cases we use the adjective before the noun. Okay, so I'll once give a brief explanation in the Hindi also. So adjectives किसको बोलते हैं? Adjectives are describing words. Okay, so because many of you say, बहुत जन बोलते हैं कि इसको थोड़ा आसान लैंग्वेज हिंदी में समझा दीजिए, so that it may be easy for them to understand. So I'm also explaining in Hindi. Adjectives किसको बोलते हैं? Adjective describing word को बोलते हैं. Describing word मतलब क्या होता है? जो noun को describe करता है, जो noun के बारे में कुछ समझा रहा है कि noun कैसा है, noun कितना सारा है, वो जो describe कर रहा है noun को, उसको बोलते हैं adjective. A word that adds something, जो नाउन के साथ कुछ एक जोड़ देता है, नाउन को और अच्छे से समझाता है, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग एडजेक्टिव. इट डिस्क्राइब्स द नेम ऑफ प्रोनाउन. नेम मतलब नाउन हो गया और प्रोनाउन को भी डिस्क्राइब करता है. क्या? ये एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब करता है. सपोज हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखे हुए बॉय, लड़का कैसा है? लड़का लंबा है, लड़का अच्छा है, लड़का बुद्धिमान है. तो लड़का कैसा है? द बॉय इज टॉल, he's a good boy, he's an intelligent boy. So this is the way we use the adjective. अब आता है position of adjective. Adjectives कहाँ बिठाना चाहिए? Where should we place the adjective? In most of the cases, adjectives are used before the nouns. You see, food noun है, उससे पहले हमने लिखे some food. Questions, several questions. Girls, कितने सारे लड़के? 2 girls. Father, किसके father? My father. Class, which class? कौन सा class? So in this cases we see in every cases that the adjectives are used before the noun. हम लोग क्या दिख रहे हैं कि adjectives जो है वो noun से पहले बैठ रहा है. In most of the cases adjectives are used before the noun. But in some cases we can also use, कोई भी केस में हम लोग adjective को noun के बाद भी लगा सकते हैं. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए, the question is very easy. Okay, वो क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान था. कैसा था? आसान था. How was the paper? How was the question? It was easy. Okay, he is my father. वो भी एक एडजेक्टिव है, my father. तो यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ जगह पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग एडजेक्टिव्स को नाउन के बाद भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now we will start with the adjectives. Now kinds of adjective. कितने तरीके के एडजेक्टिव होते हैं? So first we begin with adjective of quality. There are 6 different types of adjectives, and they are what? They are adjective of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now, adjective of quality. What does this adjective of quality defines? It describes the quality of the person or the thing. It describes the quality. Adjective of quality क्या बताता है? Adjective of quality ये बताता है कि वो चीज या वो इंसान या वो सामान, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, उसका quality कैसा है. So adjective of quality describes the quality of the person or the thing. जैसे कि we can write over your example. See, honest, easy, good, beautiful. So रेड कलर भी हो सकता है. We can use the color से green leaf. What type of leaf? Green leaf. So these are the adjective of quality. You can say the teacher asks a difficult question. What question? Difficult question. So that is an adjective of quality. Quality is what? Difficult. It asks is the quality. And adjective of quality, it asks the question what kind of. What kind of. This is very much important. Please note it down. What kind of. In each of the adjectives, different type of questions are asked. In this adjective of quality, the question asked is what kind of. Adjective of quality asks the question what kind of. Adjective of quality कैसा question करता है? What kind of. Okay. हम बोलेंगे he is an honest man. What kind of man is he? He is an honest man. वो कैसा इंसान है? Honest इंसान है. Honest man. The question paper was very easy. Okay, so what kind of paper was it? It was an easy paper. Now we begin with our adjective of quantity. Till now we read adjective of quality, now quantity. Now adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. वो सामान कितना है. Okay, so quantity means कितना है सामान. Quantity shows us how much of that substance is there. Quantity of the thing. Like you can say we have enough food, some water. Okay, so the words over here are enough, some, then much. These are some examples of adjective of quantity. We have enough food, we have some water, there is much trouble all around. So this shows quantity. Normally quantity is used for what? For uncountable nouns. When you get uncountable nouns, this is used for uncountable noun. Adjective of quantity is used for uncountable noun, and it asks the question, what? How much? It asks the question, how much? How much rice do you need? I need a little rice. I need 5 kg rice. Okay. How much sugar is there in the pot? There is enough sugar in the pot. Obviously हम लोग sugar pot में नहीं रखते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी there is enough sugar in the pot, just for example. So adjective of quantity जो होता है वो डिस्क्राइब क्या करता है? जो चीज हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते हैं उसको, मतलब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को डिस्क्राइब करता है. हम लोग नाउन्स में जब पढ़े थे कि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन किसको बोलते हैं? जिसको हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते. द वन दैट वी कैन नॉट काउंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी डिस्क्राइब्स अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. Rice, hairs, tea, milk. There is enough milk in the bottle. This enough word. How much milk is there in the bottle? Enough. So these words, ये सब words, कितना milk है bottle में? Enough. So ये सब words जो हम लोग use करते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity किसके लिए use होता है? For uncountable nouns. बहुत जन को ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कि एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी कहाँ पे होगा, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर कहाँ पे होगा. जब आप नंबर बताएंगे तब हम आपको ये और क्लियर हो जाएगा. It will be clear to you when I discuss the number over here. Now, adjective of number tells us how many person or things are meant. In adjective of quantity describes how much, and it describes what? How many. There are two. Okay, such type of statements are used. Many, several, that we can count. This is used for countable noun. Adjective of number is used for countable noun, and it asks the question, how many? How many sisters do you have? I have 2 sisters. Okay. How many friends helped you? Many friends helped me in this way. So adjective of number क्या बोलता है? Adjective of number question करता है कितना है आपके पास? कितना? मेरे पास 2 बुक्स हैं. आपके कितने सारे दोस्त हैं? मेरे पास बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं. अब ऐसा थोड़ी है कि बहुत सारे दोस्त मिले लोगों को गिन नहीं पाओगे. Obviously you can count your friends, isn't it? So how many you have? That describes adjective of number. Adjective of number tells how many persons or things are present. Adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. Adjective of quantity कोई चीज का quantity समझाता है. Adjective of number क्या? कितना सारा है? How many person are there? कितना सारा सामान है वो डिस्क्राइब करता है. ये नॉर्मली काउंटेबल नाउन होता है जो हम लोग गिन पाते हैं. बुक्स, पेन. कितने सारे पैसेंजर बस में जा रहे हैं? Passengers, you can count them. ऐसा तो नहीं कि पैसेंजर इंसान हम लोग गिन नहीं पाएंगे. We can count them. So these are the adjective of number. Now we move on to our next adjective. So what is our next adjective? Okay, wait. Before going to the next adjective, also I need to mention something that in adjective of number we also use such as adjective of number is used to define third, fourth, fifth. The third girl in that line is my sister. Third. So ये सब words जो हम लोग use करते हैं, ये सब भी adjective of numbers पे आ जाता है. Okay, I'll write one over here. Third. ये सब वर्ड जैसे हम लोग यूज करते हैं, ये सब वर्ड third, seventh, these are also called adjectives of number. So these adjectives जैसे कि थर्ड, फोर्थ, सेवेंथ. Okay, these are adjectives as these show in what order a person or thing stands. किस जगह पे, किस ऑर्डर में खड़ा है. जो एडजेक्टिव समझाता है किस ऑर्डर में खड़ा है. So they are also called ordinal adjectives. Okay, as their ordinal numbers, third, fourth, fifth ये ordinal number है. Okay, so इन लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं? Ordinal adjective because they stand in, shows the position they are in, their standing, their order. Normally हम लोग उसको ordinal adjective नहीं लिखते हैं. We write it adjective of number only. So we do not, children, you don't have to worry. You do not. I just gave you a brief explanation of it. Okay, it is not compulsory. You never write. We normally never write about it ordinal adjective unless and until it is mentioned that write the ordinal adjective and the cardinal adjective. No, we just write over there adjective of number. हम लोग ordinal ये तो cardinal adjective ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं. हम लोग adjective of number ही mostly लिखते हैं. जब तक क्वेश्चन में मेंशन ना हो कि ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर लिखिए तो हम लोग नहीं लिखते हैं. सो वी राइट और वी ओनली राइट एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. ठीक है, अब हम लोग जा सकते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट वाला, वो है क्या? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. अब ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव क्या समझाता है? ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव जो है ये पॉइंट आउट करता है कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को या थिंग को. अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव इज used to point out some person or thing. Okay, it point out some person or thing. Note it down. Point out. I'll just write the keywords over here. Points out. Obviously, point out some person or thing because we're talking about adjective and this describes a noun. We have studied. We have already given an explanation about it. So, point out an adjective. That book is mine. These books are yours. So the word that, these, ये सब वर्ड यूज करते हैं. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, दिस, these, such, certain, yonder, that, those, these all words what they point out at a thing or a person and these are called what? Demonstrative adjective. ये सब जो हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं ये कुछ पर्टिकुलर दिशा पे दिखा रहा है, पर्टिकुलर चीज को बोला गया है तो उसको बोलते हैं demonstrative adjective. This is my book. ये मेरा बुक है. That is your pen. ये पेन तुम्हारा है. तो that, those are my sister's books. ये बुक्स जो है ये मेरी बहन की है. So those, कौन सा? Which I'm pointing out? I'm pointing out to those. So these all are what? These all are showing us demonstrating. Okay, we will see only these words are only used in demonstrative adjectives. Normally we get to know this few words. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव थोड़ा इजी है. क्यों इजी है? क्योंकि डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव में ही नॉर्मली हम लोग यही सब वर्ड यूज करते हैं. दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस, सच, सर्टेन, यंडर, यही सब वर्ड यूज करते हैं. इसके अलावा बहुत ही कम वर्ड, इसके अलावा नॉर्मली कुछ यूज ही नहीं होता है. जब भी हम लोग सेंटेंस में ये सब वर्ड देखेंगे तो समझ आएंगे कि ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव ही बोले गए हैं. नॉर्मली इन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव वी यूज दिस वर्ड्स ओनली. So whenever we find such words in sentences, just be sure, close your eyes and just write down here this demonstrative adjective. So interrogative asks a question. Interrogative always asks a question over here. So that is interrogative adjective. The word in interrogative adjective are normally what, which, whose. So these are some of the question words. Okay, we can say question words are used in interrogative adjective. What when we are asking some question? What is your name? Where do you stay? How old are you? So these all are whose painting has won the prize. So these all are interrogative. Interrogative क्या होता है? सवाल पूछता है. Interrogative normally क्या करता है? Interrogative adjective सवाल पूछता है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम कहाँ रहती हो? ये पेंटिंग किसने बनाया है? तो ये सब जो होता है इसको इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं. ओके, क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला. नाउ अ पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव शोज पोजेशन और बिलोंगिंग. द पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव शोज पोजेशन और belonging. Whom does it belong to? किसका है? Okay, किसका है? तो possessive adjective दिखाता है whom does it belong to? Your possession. So we can use that. जैसे कि हमने बोला my phone. This is my phone. ये मेरा फोन है. My phone. Your dress is very beautiful. तुम्हारा ड्रेस बहुत सुंदर है. Okay, so our pet cat. हम लोग की पालतू बिल्ली. Okay. There's book. Their books. ऐसे बोलते. Their books are lying over there. Their books. So ये सब वर्ड जो समझाता है कि चीज सामान किसका है. ये बोर्ड मेरा है. ये पेन मेरा है. This is my pen. This is my board. Okay, so these all are what? These all say about whom does the thing belongs to. Whose is the thing? ये सामान किसका है? So this is all about possessive adjective. My, our, your, his, her, its, theirs. These are the normally words used over here. Let me write it down. Red. His, her, its. If this was all about the main adjectives. Now we will read about some more adjectives that we will go ahead. That is, one is there of proper adjective, another is distributive adjective. Many times we will see that it is given that people say we love to eat in a Chinese restaurant. We love to eat in a Chinese restaurant. When we say this type of words, we love to eat in a Chinese restaurant. Sorry, this will be okay. So in this case, what we are saying, I'm saying that I love to eat in an, or you love to eat, or we love to eat in Chinese restaurant. So adjectives, proper adjectives are what? An adjective derived from a proper noun. Okay, so let me put the heading over here. This is, I'm talking about proper adjective. Proper adjectives. Now, when we derive an adjective from a proper noun, China is a proper noun. So, when we derive an adjective from a proper noun, then it is called a proper adjective. Clear? Another example, I may give over here as Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. And now the word India or Indian is a proper, and so proper noun, so the word, the adjective that we derive from a proper noun, that is called the proper adjective. Over here, Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. Chinese restaurant. Okay, so these type of words when we use, then they are known as proper adjective. So what is improper adjective? Proper adjective किसको बोलते हैं? जब proper noun से कोई adjective derive होता है तो उसको proper adjective बोलते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हम बोले हैं we love to eat in Chinese restaurant. हम लोग को Chinese restaurant में खाना पसंद है. तो Chinese ये word जो है ये proper noun है. तो ये proper noun से जो आ रहा है उसको हम लोग proper adjective बोलते हैं. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. तो Indian ये जो word है ये proper adjective है. और एक एडजेक्टिव है जो अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, वो है लास्ट वाला एडजेक्टिव, हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. एन एडजेक्टिव व्हिच रेफर्स टू ईच वन ऑफ ए नंबर, ये हर एक जन को समझाता है, उसको बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. ओके, अगर हम बोलते हैं ईच वन ऑफ यू विल गेट अ टॉफी टुडे, ईच वन मतलब हर एक जन को मिलेगा. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives क्या समझाता है? To wish you can note it down. An adjective which refers to each one of a number. Okay, each one. Each one of the number. That is called what? That is called distributive adjective. Proper adjectives is called proper noun. The words made from a proper noun, they are called proper adjective, and distributive adjective shows that refers to that each one of us. Okay, so in this one, in distributive adjective, there can be example that every child must be sent for a medical checkup. So every, each, then this type of words we can use neither of the candidate have passed. मतलब कोई pass नहीं हुआ. Neither of the candidate have passed. Okay, so this type of words that we use that shows us distribution, they are called distributive adjective. Okay, so today we end our class with this adjective. If you have liked my video, press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.